I call Paul Foster-Bell.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. Sir, this bill does a number of things which I think will help our businesses, particularly here in Wellington, who have been affected. And I did note with interest a couple of quotes in the media from business owners, one from Greg Wilson, who manages bars down in the Wellington central entertainment capital of New Zealand, down on Courtney Place, who said that he had been advancing loans so that staff were able to meet their rent and their food costs, their basic living costs. So obviously the business package that the government has brought in is useful for maintaining this, but in the longer term, sir, it's important that we move from the emergency response to the recovery and the restoration phase. And this bill does a number of things that will allow those cordons to come down and those businesses, such as Mr Wilson's, to resume functioning so that their staff can start getting their proper paychecks in before Christmas, and so that people are not going into that holiday season in the sort of bleak situation that might be there if this bill didn't allow us the flexibility to embark on recovery and some of the powers that are required to make sure that that recovery happens. So I think for those reasons, sir, this is a very, very sensible, timely bill. Obviously, the basic legislation that it amends was passed only recently by this House, but we had no appreciation that such a major disaster was about to befall our country so soon after its timely passage. So, sir, it's very important that this bill is enacted as soon as possible so that those recovery actions can be taken. So I'm not going to take up any further time in the House other than to commend it.